So the Start bundle includes the 3DeVOK MQ. This is the scanner we'd normally recommend if you're new to 3D scanning and want something affordable, easy to use, and capable of handling everyday scanning applications. If your goal is to get started quickly, the MQ is a great place to begin. Where this scanner really stands out is human body scanning. It can capture faces, limbs, full bodies, in and out of color quickly and easily with little to no preparation required. In most cases, it's simply a case of pointing the scanner at the subject and starting the scan. Those scans can then be used for a range of applications, including medical workflows, similar to the New Cross Hospital case study featured on our website. The MQ is designed to make scanning approachable. It works well across a wide range of objects and is ideal for users who want reliable 3D data without needing a highly specialized workflow. So, choose the MQ if affordability, ease of use, and versatility are your key priorities, or if your focus is primarily on human body scanning. Now, where the MQ may not be the best fit is for more demanding engineering projects, because it doesn't use blue laser technology. Dark, shiny, and reflective surfaces will typically require a greater use of scanning spray. It's also not designed for the highest levels of accuracy required in advanced reverse engineering applications. If your projects are more demanding, that's where the Professional Bundle and the 3DeVOK MT come into the picture. So, if you want the simplest and most affordable route into 3D scanning, choose the MQ. It's ideal for learning, education, creative applications, 3D printing, and dedicated human body scanning. And don't forget the software. If you want a smoother route from scan data to editable CAD models, adding QuickSurface reverse engineering software to your chosen 3DeVOK bundle can make that process so much easier. Thanks for watching. And if you'd like help choosing the right bundle for your application, please do get in touch with the team.